In order to control an arch kite so that you're able to adjust things like the tweak of the feet, let's have a look if I can do that here. Just the sizes and the scales and how everything works together from the ground, and also weathercock around a rope circle on the ground, a rope belay set. I reckon we might be wanting some sort of buggy a wee bit like this, a rope riding device whereby you can clamp onto the circle. So this yellow piece here is the belay line, the rope that anchors onto the ground. If we created cuffs over the rope, cloth cuffs, they'd go down to anchor points in the ground, say great big bags in the ground. These rollers I've drawn are very sharp and very crude. You'd want something that had a slight bit of give so that as it came onto the cloth, as it drove onto it, it would open up slightly, lever would move, collateral over. You'd need to lock these pins, these levers in place most of the time, so you'd want to be pulling from that silvery bar on top. If you have one cart like this, one carriage part, then obviously you're at the will of the kite, and it's the frame of reference is going to be the pull vector from the kite, your greatest frame of reference. If you had two, however, you could set more relational to the ground. Also, with this setup, what you're going to want is some kind of cleat or locking device going onto the ropes so that wherever you are along the system, you'll be able to control a few different parameters of the kite from where you are, such as your pinch, maybe the steering. So you'd lock off on one side, and as the wind blew that way, you'd be able to steer the kite forward around the rope until, I say forward, sorry, the right hand side there, forward, until everything settled out again. It's inherently it wants to be in that stable position, as it is energy stable load path.